G'day folks, Matt from Tradie Web Guys here, and today I'm coming at you with a case study from a project we did a little while back. So Reactive Plumbing are residential plumbing experts in Sydney, and they had a dated website which basically needed to be rebuilt, and it just needed some functionality on there that was going to help them facilitate some of the marketing initiatives they've got looking forward. So they're quite aggressive in the marketing space, and they needed basically a website that enabled them to put content on there and optimize the content, create new pages and all this kind of stuff. So I'll run you through it quickly. As you can see, it's very nicely laid out. It's got all of the nice clean navigation. All the services have their own pages. Click to call phone numbers for mobile, request a quote buttons, obviously the complete web forms, etc., etc. And as we scroll down here, you can see there's a nice video on the homepage, and all in all, it just looks really nice and clean. Nice clear footer there. And then the other cool thing that was on this site was their project gallery. So I'll just jump across here and give you a look at this. They've got a few projects in there which needs to be updated, but you can see that their nice project galleries there tell a really good story of the job they did. So this performs quite well with their search engine optimization and things like that as well. So that was nice. And they also had a landing page template for their Google AdWords campaigns, which we created as well in the back end of the website. So the beauty of doing this is that they didn't need, you don't need a third-party application or program to run your AdWords campaigns and build the landing pages. Like, we can do it all on the website, which is absolutely fantastic. So as we scroll down here, you'll see there's a really nicely built campaign page there for Google Ads. And of course, these can be duplicated to represent whatever sort of campaign you're running, hot water, or if you're a builder, it might be a location-based promotion, or it could be a service-based promotion, whatever it might be. So anyway, that was that. So it's a really good, really nice website, very scalable. They've been loving the refreshing change to what they had previously, and I'm sure you guys will too. So if you guys need a new website, or if you're looking at adding, I suppose, that extra layer to your business in the space of content marketing and starting to really grow that website as an asset, then head across to tradiewebguys.com.au, and we will fill in the form there on the apply page, and we'll have a conversation to see if we can help. We do it with dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of companies from all over the place, so I'm sure we'll be able to help you as well. Thank you.